Two shots for Mr. Arias. No good. Basket good for Mr. Arias. Turnaround shot kay Yabot. No. Bulina to Bulina connection. Easy. For three. No good. Rebound by Yabot. Easy again. Try. No good. Rebound by Mark. There we go. Kenneth and Zach. Oh, sayang. Two pass. Boogie. Setting play. Pinasa kay Easy. Napakabuhaya. Paso. Seryoso si Muscle Man. Kenneth. Orchestrating the offense. Tito Mark. Bulina. Tulog. Nasa. Zach. Onel. Pupersa yan. Wala po. Tito Joven. Tito Joven. Tubugi. Basket. No good. Rebound by Labada. Si Sir Labada. Pass. Easy po pass. Uy! Tito Joven. Welcome back.
Namamayat si Tito Joven. Pit na pit.
6-3 po ang score. Tito Mark. Kenneth in the middle. Shoot it. Good take. Basket. No good. Rebound kay Yabot. Pinasa. Uy! Steal by Varias. Pasok na yan. No good. Rebound by Boogie. Tito Joven. Basic. Not this time. Henry Malyari po rebound. Pinuwasa na po. Malyari again po rebound. Basket good. Ba, may uniform si Malyari? Tito Mark. Kenneth. Onel. Too high. Pinuwasa. Pivot. Nice fake. Kenneth. Basket good. Point guard, oh. Bang! 3 points! System puso. Sabi may pasok ka na lang ngayon? Zach? Penetrate? No. Wala, huwag muna. Tito Mark, piso. Zach na yan. Zach! No good. Rebound by Mr. Boogie. Wow, what a pass! Uy, screen guys! Uy! Minama! Henry po siya. Time is 17 minutes remaining on the ball game. Bulina, thinking, Kenneth, walang isip-isip yan. Sabi ni. Kilala ko yan eh. Oop! Uy, ang gandang pass break. Uy! Sige. Foul by Mr. Kenneth. First team foul. Second pa na. First team. 13-8 ang score. Tito Don is in the building. One more shot. Basket good. 15-8 po ang score. Kenneth. Good. Rebound by Molina. Okay. Onel. Rebound by Henry. Pass break again. Oh, not this time. Zach. Piso. Nice pass. Easy. Good. Easy again. Post two. Sandoval. Tumira kaya? Tumira nga? Wala. Easy lang daw. Sabi ng block. Pagod na yung mga block. Kenneth. Onel. Simula. Ball. Zach. No good. Good rebound by Mariari. Point guard talaga si Yabon. Bugi, walang isip-isip. Wala. Henriade pro rebound. 2 points? No. Onel pro rebound. Kenneth. Basic. No. Bugi pro rebound. Onel, steal. Onel, oh. Traveling, timeout. Black team.
At kahit di sinirato,
Sabay tayo. Paasa.
ang ating ngayon naubos na kwentuhan.
Ako the ball game.
White ball guys, white ball. Tito Nok. Sandoval, dribbling, nag-isip. Sa 3. Wala, rebound by Mark. Natapit. Doon. Sandoval, get the ball. Basket good, kaya? Basket na. 2 threes for Mr. Easy. 12 po kailangan ng puti. Zach, nag-drive, floater, no good, Yabut po rebound, pumasa kay Easy, Easy, assist for Yabut. Mapasa, si Kawayan. Don, Bulina, pinasa kay Bulina, Don, ayan na. Si Coach, pinasa kay Zach, Mark, ayaw tumira, nahiya. 3 seconds, guys. Papainit ko si Mr. Don. May tinapay po tayo sa bench. Sa committee, may tinapay po tayo tsaka ham. Sandoval, pinasa kay Yabot. Hindi ko Mr. Don. Kumikot, wala pa rin, napakabalo. Henry. For rebound. 6 points for Mr. Henry. Screen by Bulina. Tumira, mainit. Go, Boogie for rebound. Iyakap na wala. Silang daw, 13 minutes guys. Boogie tumira, Henry for rebound. Tumira din. 8 points for Mariari.
Score 26-8 lamang ng 18. Ang puti. Si Ruma. Sa ilalim kay Molina.
Pinasa. Kenneth. Basket.
Kapag mananalo ang Nakama, twice to beat sila.
Easy. Nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Easy. Minutes, guys. Rebound by Molina. Molina. Dito doon. Nasa yan. Nice doon. Easy po pass break. Pasok kaya. Wala. Rebound. Uy, alahoy. Natira. Rebound by Mr. Don. Pinapantay na easy. Nice screen. Who's for rep? Come on, guys. Sapsa muna. Mag-ama, out. Magbayaw, in.
Doon si Ruma, unang tira. Pasok.
Pasok.
At ang pangalawa. Pasok na naman.
Uno ng free throws, coach.
Score 14-28. 14 na lang kalamangan Sandoval. To Boogie.
Walang isip-isip.
No good.
Limang pa isa.
Reyes.
The Fast and the Furious again.
No good.
Los Santos. Pass to Sandoval. Nagmamadali. Na-stealan ni Joey. Nakuha ni Onen. Ito dong. Pinintay sa kayaw. Pinasa ng kaya. Zach. Who's for rep? Third team foul for white team.
Inbounding comes Varias to Labanan for 3. No good. Rebound by Boogie.
Bababa si Boogie.
Boogie. Titira ba? Sa ilalim ng hang.
Walang isip-isip.
So,
Reynaldo in the house. Tito Don, Boogie. Tito Don again. Time out, Whitey. Time out, Whitey. 9 minutes. Time out ulit.
score 30-16 lamang ang Putex.
Lahat ay parang umapoy. O di alam kung saan tutuloy. Ang sabi ko wala ba napatuloy na paglaban. Di na umasa, di na
Inapit po, guys.
Ate Donna, Ate Donna, Ate Donna, may tinapay dito sa kahaw. Tinapay sa kahaw. Tinapay sa kahaw.
Hindi na posible ang mga puso'y huwag nating pahirapan. Suko mo na sa laban. Hindi tayo
White ball, guys. Good time the middle. Challenge by two guys. No. Finally, nakascore na rin si Mr. Yabo. Tito Don. Jump ball. White ball, white ball. White ball. Mga na guys. 9 minutes. Good time para sa white team. Sandoval nag-isip. Hindi ko. Ribbon by Tito Onen. Tito Don. Morning. Matakbo ang black team. Pinuha sa ni Dome. Good. Ribbon by Sandoval. Tito Morning. Uy, nice block by Tito Onen. Let's go guys. Tito Don. Who's foul? Second personal foul, 14 foul for white team. Tito Don on the line. Marunong naman free throw si Tito Don. Grabe. Pa-practice. Pares lang ba? Pares lang? Ang dalawa, pre! Nagpa-practice? Perfect from the line. Sandoval.
Score 32-18. 8 minutes, 20 seconds remaining.
Steal by Tito Don. Pass break. Uy. Tito Don? No good. Sandoval. Steal again by Mr. Don. Active hand by Mr. Don. Easy. Sandoval. Henry. Basic. No good. Di pa may yabot. Wala pa rin. Di ayaw. Miss foul.
Substitution.
Si Onen. Si Onen.
Labanan out.
Onel foul. 32-18. Nagis to me. Siyempre. One more try, no? Remember going? Tito Onen. 2-on-1, 2-on-1. Pabalik. Tinagis. Uy po. Screen by Dome. Tito Don. Last to Dome. Who's foul? Who's foul, Red? Thank you. First foul by Mr. Yabo. 5-team foul. Mr. Dome on the line. Mag-practice ka kay Bayaw doon ng free throw. No good. Onel for rebound. Easy basket. 35-20. 15 pa sa labangan ng puti. Easy. White ball again. Pumapasa kasi. Sandoval, pinasa kay Easy for 3. No good. Rebound by. Good. Time out. Injury time out. First foul. Saan muna, Henry? Ayos ka lang, Henry. Ayos lang. White ball. Black ball. Black ball.
Score 35-20.
Who's ball?
Oh, black ball na.
Oh, black ball. Let's go, guys. Sige, sige. Siya tumawag eh. Sige. Sige, sige. Siya tumawag eh. Easy. Good D by Mr. Don. Good D. Easy. So open. Bam! 4 minutes, guys. Show dyan na. Block by Mr. Yabot. Pass by again from the ball. Rebound by Sandoval. Boogie for 3. Sa rebound by Dom. Ay, Doming. Basket.
Substitution.
Substitution, man. Second team foul. Ay, personal foul by Mr. Yabut. Second.
Bonus shot. Bonus shot. Grabe yun.
They're free from the line.
5 out of 5.
Nagtatao-tao na po sila. Boogie. Air ball.
Offline.
Not this time, my boy. Ano si Don?
Inubos mo sa laro namin eh.
3 minutes, ha? Onen, basic. Basic na. Assist by Don. Ano si Don? Pwede tayo si Easy. Challenge shot. Yes, good challenge. Kenneth. Wow! Steal by Mr. Easy. Boogie on the run. 2 minutes and 30. Binigay ang tres. Wala. Rebound by Easy. Kenneth. Nagagawa ng magkakampi. Sayang. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Nagkaroon ng binira ng black team. Labot, inbound play. Oh! Uy! Sayang! Sayang, yung Kenneth. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Kenneth, try for 3. No good. Rebound by Tito Don. Onen, good fake. Basket, good.
Labing isa na lang ang kalamangan.
Ayan na. Mini run by black team.
Mahabol na.
Straight. Easy. Basic kaya. Tito Jobel. Black by Don Onen. Rebound by Doming. 1 minute and 30. Tito Dom, pumersa. Uy! Piso kaya? Piso-piso! Wala! Nice challenge by Kenneth. Crossover. Uy! Nakagawali ni Kenneth. Nice pass! Basket good! 10-point run!
Grabe yung pasa mo.
Papasagin? Wala! Rebound by Tito Mark. Oops! Kenneth tumatakbo. 2-on-1. Kakayanin kaya? Good ball! Penalty! Penalty! 44 seconds.
Good eh, wala naman eh. Wala ko narinig eh. Hindi pa yun, high five yun.
Basket good. Mr. Labat.
Walo na lang. May papababa pa kaya.
Penalty Mark. Mark, nakuha ni Tito Mark. Nakontrol ang bola. Kenneth for 2. Basket good.
Eto na, ang naman.
13 run? 13 points run?
5 seconds.
Fly by? Tito Dome?
2 seconds.